When you get to weebly.com, you will need to create your account. Type in your name, your email, and a password. Then click sign up. It's free. It brings you to the theme page. You can select any one of the themes that you see here. You can always change the theme and do a different one later. I'm just going to pick this very basic one here. Click choose. Alrighty, now it says choose your website domain. We're going to use a subdomain of Weebly. And to do that, you will type in a name that will become part of your Weebly URL. I'm calling mine EDMT, well, 602 is taken. So I'm going to say EDMT WebQuest. That's taken too. Interesting. TSJ EDMT, that'll be mine. Then I click continue and it brings me to this page. And so I'm going to go directly to build my site, but you might want to take a look at the video. It brings me to this page which has the design that I had selected, and then it has widgets over here on the side. The first thing you want to do for your WebQuest though is to create the pages. This first page, which is home, could be considered as your introduction. I'm going to go to pages and I'm going to add a new page, a standard page, and I'm going to call it introduction. Then I'm going to add the task page, and the process, the evaluation, the conclusion, and the teacher page. I've left the page layout as the default. Now I'm going to click Save and Edit. Okay, so this is my home page, if you will, and it has a picture here that I don't particularly like, so I'm going to edit the image and add another one. Weebly has a free gallery that you can search for images, so I'm going to put in a search term, the internet. Now be careful because it takes you to the fee-based photos first. I'm going to click free photos. That's the one we want. And then I can pick an image that I would like to use. I will just pick this one. And that will be the image that will be on my page there. There, okay. You can rotate it, crop it, etc., which I do think I will crop it a bit. There. Alrighty. And then I'm going to click OK, and I will save to all pages. But you could also have a different image for each page. It's up to you. So I'm going to click and drag text here and say, welcome to my WebQuest for teachers helping teachers. And yours would be whatever your page would be. Then I'm going to go to the introduction, and this time I'm going to drag an image with text. And again, you can upload an image, depends on what your subject area is. Let's say maybe you're in the medical field. We'll say doctors. We'll look for a free photo. And let's see, we'll make it easier. We'll go with nutrition. That's what we'll look at. We'll pick this image here. And that's going to be the image right there. I could have also used that image up here as well, but you decide how you want to do it. And then you would begin to type in your text. To create a link to the internet or to another page or even to a file, you select the text that will be the link and click the little link there. I'm going to go to another web page and I'm typing in the entire web address. And let's see, I'm going to say foodtvnetwork.com. Hopefully I got that right. Then I click save. And you can see, you'll see the little dots under there so you'll know it's a link. Now maybe I want to create a link to another page in my WebQuest. I'll say go to task. So I'm going to select that word, click the link there, and here where it says page on your website, I'll click that, click the down arrow, click task, and click save. So when learners come to my site and they see that, if they click that, it'll take them to the task page. Notice that you can make your text bold, you can underline it, you can italicize it, you can make it bigger, you can change the color of it. There are a number of things. You can make bulleted lists, you can change the alignment, you can have numbered lists, you can remove your formatting, undo and redo. And that's for every page. Now I'm going to, let's see, I need to change this here. I'm going to take that off there. You could leave it on if you want. Maybe you could say you want it to say nutrition WebQuest. Okay, there. You can also create links to your Facebook or your Twitter or your LinkedIn or your email. I'm going to do it for email. And I'll just get rid of the other icons by clicking the little X. There. And I'm putting a message underneath the icon that says email me. Now to edit another page, you click the page that you want to go to, and then you begin the procedure over again. Now there's some things that you cannot do because they will charge you for it. So if you click an element and you see that they want you to pay for it, you might want to select something else. But you have lots of options here. When you're all done with your web page, then the next thing that you do is publish it. You click publish. I'm still using my same domain name. I click continue. And this website is education, and I'm going to skip the rest. And I have to verify that I am a human. And then say, okay, publish my site. Once Weebly is done publishing the site, I see a link to the website URL. And I click that, and it brings me to the site that I created.